Hey there, future affiliate marketing superstars. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about affiliate marketing, and I've got something special for you. We'll explore how affiliate marketing is like a grand performance, and we'll uncover the secrets to becoming the star of the show in the affiliate marketing universe. But before we get into it, do me a quick favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our content. All right, let's roll the curtains and get started. Affiliate marketing is like being part of an exciting, long-running TV series. You're a character with a unique role, and there's a whole ensemble cast. You've got the merchant, the affiliate network, and the audience, the consumers. It's a well-orchestrated performance where everyone reaps the rewards. Think of choosing your niche as selecting a character to play in this ongoing series. Your niche is your stage, your area of expertise. It's like being a character that you're truly passionate about, because believe me, you'll be playing this role a lot. Your niche is like your role, and it's crucial for your success. So you do your homework, you explore affiliate programs and select products or services that genuinely align with your niche. These products are like scripts you're eager to perform. But remember, just like actors choose scripts that suit their abilities, you must pick the products that truly benefit your audience. It's about delivering a performance that resonates, and the commissions you earn are like the applause from the audience. With your niche and your selected products in mind, it's time to build your stage presence. This could be a blog, a website, or even a social media channel. It's your platform. It's where your character shines. Very much like actors rehearse their lines, you've got to create content that attracts the right audience, the viewers who are genuinely interested in your performance. But you're not alone in this production. You need to sign up for affiliate programs. You have to partner with businesses or work through affiliate networks. These networks are like your agents, handling all the technical stuff, such as tracking your performance and ensuring you get paid for your role. The key to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is authenticity. You're not just selling products. You're helping your audience solve problems. It's like an actor who doesn't just read lines, but brings a character to life, convincing the audience that the story is genuine. Your role doesn't end with promoting products. You just track your performance. It's like reviewing the tapes of your previous shows. You use tracking tools to monitor how your affiliate campaigns are doing. Based on the data, you fine-tune your performance to enhance your conversion rates. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that affiliates often make. Imagine being an actor and suddenly being asked to wear a spacesuit in the middle of a historical drama. It just doesn't fit well. That's what happens when affiliates promote products that make zero sense for their audience. It's like playing a role that's completely out of character. The quality of the products or services you promote is critical. Just like actors delivering consistent performances, you've got to ensure the quality doesn't dip. If it does, the audience won't be happy. So always stay updated and make sure your audience gets value from your recommendations. Honesty is a fundamental principle. It's like a director promising a great show and then delivering something subpar. You've got to be upfront about the products or promotions you endorse. If you make a mistake, own it and make amends. It's about keeping the trust of your audience, just like in a theater where the audience believes in the actors on stage. And then there's diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine being an actor and only having one role in your entire career. That's risky. Affiliate marketing should be part of your income, not the sole act. You should have multiple income streams, just like a versatile actor taking on different roles. You should explore various avenues. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about transactions. It's about building trust and relationships with your audience. It's like becoming the audience's favorite actor, the one they trust to deliver a fantastic performance every time. By providing value, you give your audience a reason to thank you, and the income from affiliate marketing will naturally follow. So in this extended chat, we've explored the intricate world of affiliate marketing. It's all about choosing your role, understanding your niche, building an authentic online presence, and maintaining the trust of your audience. It's like putting on a captivating, long-running performance that keeps your viewers coming back for more. You've got the script and you've got the stage. Now, it's up to you to deliver an unforgettable performance. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't a one-time gig. It's a long-running show where everyone benefits when the actors, the merchants, and the audience are all satisfied. As you move forward, remember, affiliate marketing is just one role in your career. To build a successful affiliate marketing business that endures, you must focus on your audience's well-being, much like a brilliant actor who seeks to make their audience's night unforgettable. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the realm of affiliate marketing. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more knowledge drops. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.